grade 3 students. Today, I will teach you lesson number 1 from unit number 5. What's the weather like? First, I will show you 4 different pictures and I will ask you different questions about them. In this picture, can you tell me what do you see in this picture? Excellent! Boys making a snowman. What's the weather like in this picture? It is cold. It is cold. Which season is this? It is winter. Excellent job, everyone. Now, let's move to picture number 2. In this picture, can you tell me what can you see? A boy rides his bike. Can you also see the nice flowers and green trees? Perfect. What is the weather like in this picture? It is sunny. Well done, everyone. What is the season in this picture? Which season is this? It is spring. Well done. Now, let's go to picture number 3. In this picture, what can you see? Can you tell me? You can see a boy eats his ice cream and he's on the beach. What is the weather like? It is hot. Which season is this? Perfect. It is summer. Now, let's go to the 4th and last picture. Now, in this picture, can you tell me what can you see? Excellent job, everyone. A boy flies his kite. What is the weather like? It is windy. Excellent, everyone. What is the name of the season? Which season is this? It is autumn. Well done, my little students. You are great. Now, I will ask you all to open your pupils book, page number 19, exercise number 1. Now, in this exercise, as you see, there are 4 pictures. I want you to listen to the recording now, very carefully. And then I will be back again.
Pupils Book, page 19, Unit 5, Exercise 1. Listen and read.
Let's read about Canada, Asma.
That's a good idea. Uncle Rakan travels to Canada. What's the weather like in Canada?
It's very cold in winter. It's rainy. It's snowy. It's hot in summer. What do children do in winter?
They go ice skating and they make snowmen. I don't like cold weather. I like summer. What's your favourite season, Mazen?
My favourite season is spring. It isn't hot. It's sunny.
Now, after you listen to the recording, I will let you to listen again to the recording, but in this time, I want you to read after the recording finishes.
Pupils Book, page 19, Unit 5, Exercise 1. Listen and read.
Let's read about Canada, Asma.
That's a good idea. Uncle Rakan travels to Canada. What's the weather like in Canada?
It's very cold in winter. It's rainy. It's snowy. It's hot in summer. What do children do in winter?
They go ice skating and they make snowmen. I don't like cold weather. I like summer. What's your favourite season, Mazen?
My favourite season is spring. It isn't hot. It's sunny.
Now, I will ask you some questions about the pictures. In picture number 1, can you tell me who are these? Excellent job. They are Mazen and Asma. Excellent. What are they searching about? Well done. They are searching about the weather in Canada. What is the weather like in Canada according to the pictures? It is cold. Excellent, everyone. Now, what do they use to search for the weather in Canada? The computer. They use the computer to search about Canada. Now, let's play again together. I will give you some clues and I want you to mention the right season. In which season we have to have an umbrella with us? In which season? Excellent job, my students. It is winter. In winter, it's rainy, so we have our umbrellas with us. In which season we can go to swim? It is summer. Excellent. In summer, we can go and swim. In which season we can fly a kite? Exactly. It is autumn. It is autumn. In autumn, it's windy. That's why it's easy to fly a kite. Now, can you tell me in which season we can see a nice flowers and green trees? Well done. In spring. In spring, we can see the trees are green and the flowers are really nice. By this, I finished the lesson today. I know that you enjoyed it. You enjoyed knowing more about the 4 seasons. I will now leave, but I will see you so soon. Hello, grade 3 students. Today we will start with lesson number 2 from unit number 5, What's the weather like? We will learn to respond to short and simple questions, to copy short sentences correctly and neatly, to use different pictures to recognize new words. First of all, let's play a game together. Which season we have an umbrella with us? It's in winter, exactly. What is the weather like in summer? It is hot and sunny. When do we have to wear heavy clothes like jackets and gloves? Exactly, in winter. When can we fly our kites? Well done, everyone, in autumn, because it is windy in autumn. I want you now to open your activity books, page number 19, exercise number 1. In this exercise, as you see, there is a box and it has some sentences and there are 4 different pictures. First, we will read the sentences together. Don't worry, I will help you. Let's start reading. It's cold and snowy in winter. Let's look at Uncle Rakan's photos of Canada. It's cold and rainy in this photo. It is hot and sunny in summer. Now, I want you to look into the 4 pictures. Try to think of the correct answers. Try to copy them correctly and neatly in your box. For example, in picture number 1, we can write, let's look at Uncle Rakan's photos of Canada. What about the second picture? What do you see? Can you see the snow? Perfect. So we write, it's cold and snowy in winter. What about the third picture? Can you see the sun there? Perfect. So we write, it is hot and sunny in summer. Exactly. Now, what about the fourth picture? Can you see the heavy rain? So we write, it is cold and rainy in this photo. Excellent, my students. You are champions today. Now let's move to exercise number 2 from the same page. In this exercise, I want you to circle the right answer after you read the sentence. In sentence number 1, Canada is hot in summer. Canada is hot in summer. So I circle the word hot. In the second sentence, can you think of the answer? Excellent, everyone. It's cold in winter. Well done. What about the third one? Children go ice skating in winter. And the last sentence, can you think of the answer? They make snowmen in snowy weather. Excellent job. What do you think of playing another game together today? I want you to look at the pictures now, and I will ask you some questions about them. First, can you tell me what is the weather like in this picture? Well done, it is cold. Can you see that the children are wearing heavy clothes? They're wearing gloves, they're wearing scarves. What about the second picture? What can you see in the second picture? A boy eats an ice cream. What is the weather like in this picture? Great job, everyone. It is hot. Now, what about this picture? A boy flies his kite. So, what is the weather like in this photo? Well done. It is windy. By this, I finished today's lesson. I know that you enjoyed it. Let's see you soon. Bye-bye. Hello, grade 3 students. Today, I will teach you lesson number 3 from unit number 5. What's the weather like? We will learn to respond to short and simple questions and to use different pictures to recognize new words. First, let me remind you of the 4 seasons that we have in the year. We have winter, autumn, summer, and spring. Now, I want you to look at the board and repeat after me. What is this word? Sunny. It's sunny. This one, rainy. It's rainy. This one, cold. It's cold. This one, snowy. It's snowy. And this one, hot. It's hot. Now, my students, I want you to open your pupils book, page 20, exercise number 2. As you see in this exercise, we have a picture. It's a picture of Jarash. Can you see the sun in the picture? Great job. Now, I want you to listen to the recording and after that, tick and cross. Now, listen to the recording.
Pupils Book, page 20, Unit 5, Exercise 2. Listen and tick or cross.
What's the weather like in Jerash today?
It's hot and sunny. It isn't windy. It isn't rainy.
So, in Jerash, it's hot and sunny. It isn't cold, rainy, or windy. Now, let's go to exercise number 3 from the same page. Can you tell me what do you see in this exercise? Good job. It is a map. What is this map for? It is for Jordan, our country. In this map, we have Irbid, Amman, Aqaba, Jerash, Petra, Salt, and others. But also we have little pictures. We call these clues. For example, this one is a clue of a hot weather. This one is a clue of a cold weather. And this one is a clue of a windy weather. This one is a clue of a sunny weather. And the last one is a clue of a rainy weather. Now, what is the weather like in Irbid? Excellent job. It is rainy in Irbid. Well done, everyone. It's rainy in Irbid. Now, can you see in Petra? What is the weather like in Petra? It is cold and windy because it has two little pictures. So it's cold and windy. Now, what is the weather like in Amman? In Amman, it's windy. In Amman, it's windy. It isn't hot, it isn't cold, it's windy. Great job, my students. Can you tell me now, what is the weather like in Salt? It's rainy. Excellent job, everyone. It's rainy. Now, I want you to open your activity box, page 20, exercise number 3. In this exercise, as you see, we have the same map. In this map, we have Salt, again, Aqaba, Petra, Amman, and others. And can you see the little clues again? Perfect. Now, I will leave you to listen to the recording and say yes or no.
Activity Book, page 20, Unit 5, Exercise 3. Look, listen, and say yes or no. 1.
It's rainy in Petra.
2.
It's windy in Amman.
3.
It isn't cold in Aqaba.
I am back to you. For the model answers, please check the board. At the end of this lesson, I will leave you with a little question. Look out of your windows and think. What is the weather like today in Amman? By this, I finished my class today. I know that you enjoyed it. See you soon. Bye-bye.